intention for today. I give myself permission to push myself past what I'm used to.
Think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
So y'all, thank you so much for joining me again on another Vlogmas episode. As you can see, your girl is getting ready to make me some salmon croquette and some grits, y'all. Listen, I'm about to make me some. Now, I didn't make those croissants like I'm showing you. I ended up not having any bread because I just felt like it was enough what I had. So I'm going to make me some salmon croquette with some grits, some scrambled eggs with cheese, and I'm going to call it a day. And I'm also going to make those grits jalapeno cheddar. I love jalapeno cheddar, or I really wanted like some Gouda grits with some jalapeno, but I didn't have any Gouda and I wasn't finna go nowhere because child is cold outside. So yeah, y'all, just had been feeling this in my spirit because I haven't been having any grits lately and I really wanted some. So yeah, I made some and they hit right. don't know how you cook your grits, but this is how I cook mine. I always use a whisk because I hate clumps. And I stir, 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 get it nice and smooth, and then I'll turn the heat down. I always add butter. I always add heavy cream because I want them to be creamy and not just gritty. It's just something about the heavy cream and the butter that gives it a just a better flavor. I love it. I love it. And whenever I make grits, I always think about my daughter because my daughter loves my grits. Whenever she come home, she's like, "Are you gonna cook breakfast this morning?" And I already know what she wants. She wants grits. She missed this, and she's gonna be mad when she see this video. But yeah, sorry, woo woo. I had some grits without you. Shout out to my baby girl. Okay, y'all. Good. It's been so long since I had salmon and grits, I swear. A long time. Probably over a year. Look.